Hi everyone, I'm John Harms, founder and CEO of Millennium Systems International. Excited to spend a few minutes with you and talk about our growth and some of the things that happened to us in 2019. Also share some great success stories from you that we've heard this year and talk about 2020 as we all make our New Year's resolutions and how we're going to make it great. So looking forward to spending some time with you over the next few minutes. So one of the first things I want to talk about is reputation management. It's very important for you, very important for us. Something that honestly, I was so focused on the new software and everything else that we really never reached out to our clients and said, hey, do you love us? Let us know. And so we started doing that this year. We've increased our ratings 50%. We're up to 4.7 and growing on Google and similar on Capterra, hundreds of ratings. So we also want to give you a tool that is coming in the next few months that's going to help you manage and improve your reputation management. So it's super important for us that we have conversion tools for people that use Millennium, even people that use our competing software, to be able to get onto Meevo 2 and keep some of their data. If you're on Millennium, you keep almost all your data. So we've converted thousands of Millennium clients in 2019 over to Meevo 2 successfully. They're loving being in the cloud, loving using their phone and any device to access the software in its entirety, not a simple little app, the entire application. So very exciting times with that. 2020, we expect to even do more conversions than we did in 2019. We continue to follow the aggressive pace of adding new employees here and making sure everybody's well trained to support you better. We continue to add tools that are going to allow us to do quality assurance and follow up better than we've ever done before. We continue to improve our phone system and our call hold times with certain features and actually the way we've divided that department up. And I'm excited that customer success is now broken up into two different departments of 40 people that are going to be focused on just making sure you know how to use the tool, that you understand the reports you should be running, and they're going to be following up with you periodically to let you know of things that we've added or business boosters that, again, will help you grow your business. So very excited about those things because the software becomes just the price of entry, and really us helping you grow and educate you and work with the tool is really our ongoing relationship. So now let's just talk about a couple ways that people have given us testimonials on how Meevo 2's helped drive prosperity in their business. They've had tangible results. People like Studio 33 Salon and Spa reduced their front desk training by 75% because Meevo 2 is just so easy to learn and understand. New Image Day Spa saw a 50% increase in retail sales over the last year since switching to Meevo 2. And Mango Salons sold $10,000 in gift cards online in a single day. So Meevo 2 is really starting to perform and show people that the ease of cloud, the ease of not having servers in your salon and workstations and all this complexity of technology and simply having cloud access, not just for you, but for your clients, has really helped increase spend and usage of the tools that we provide. Very excited about some of our advancements that we made in 2019, including the ability to text back and forth with clients over a landline. We actually have a check-in kiosk now. Clients can come in and check themselves in. The e-gift was launched to be able to sell gift cards online. Reputation management to be able to manage your 5-star reviews that are out there and increase your reputation. All these things are happening and we're excited. And then what we're also excited about is what's coming in 2020. So in 2020, we're really focused on partner integrations. So we built out a platform that allows as many partners as we want to bolt on their features and things that they're really good at to allow Meevo 2 to become a base platform for a lot of different tools that you can use and choose to bolt on. So Meevo 2 truly becomes an expandable cloud product that you can make work based on the focuses that you have in your salon or spa. 2020 looks exciting for Millennium Systems International, whether it be Meevo 2 and all the features that we're going to be adding and our quarterly updates and keeping true to that, adding on all these partnerships that bolt on their great features and apps and things that make Meevo 2 better, or whether that just be our industry involvement. We're going to be doing some educational tours, going to different cities throughout the United States and talking about what it is to be in the salon industry and how to grow your business, but also relating it back to Meevo 2 and or some of the reports and KPIs that we know and have seen help grow businesses. So keep your eyes open. We might be in your backyard. We hope to see you there. And we continue to expand and serve an industry that we've done for 33 years straight.